our channel. Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Starring Millie Bobby Brown, because of the teenage sleuth Enola Holmes is already in its manner into turning Netflix's subsequent massive film franchise. The movie is primarily based totally on a singular collective through Nancy Springer's detailing the escapades of Sherlock and Mycroft's younger and simply as brilliant sister. Along with the primary novel on which the movie is primarily based totally, there are 5 extra books within the collection. When the information changed into something different, we first introduced that Millie changed into set to being a big name in and production Enola Holmes. It gave the impression of there has been plans to show it right into a multi-movie franchise. However, with recent copyright issues and claims from Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's property popping up and the circulation of Netflix, it is uncertain if one's plans are nonetheless or ever going to come true. Either manner, the finishing of Enola Holmes units up and the entire load of the narratives that would be explored in later movies and lovers will no question be determined to peer. The extra of the characters right now, it is difficult to mention, while we should assume to peer a sequel as it is now no longer but has been formally confirmed. As stated before, the originally Enola Holmes changed into going to be a cinema launch through Warner Bros. Before Netflix has already picked up the rights for the film. The sequel, if it happens, might in all likelihood see Netflix be extra worried with the manufacturing side. Unless it has been filmed in secret, then manufacturing is in all likelihood would not begin till 2021. And if it is the case, then we can be searching at a launch date of 2022. Millie Bobby Brown might of course be back as Enola Holmes and in all likelihood join through Henry Cavill and Sam Claflin as Sherlock and Mycroft Holmes respectively. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. They would not have any problems in getting Claflin's lower back because he already says, "I have had a lot of amusing function in this movie. It changed into something that I wasn't completely expecting. In reality, however, I simply fell in love with it and the human beings feeling so worried. I fall in love with the character." It would not be a marvel to peer Louis Partridge's lower back as Tewksbury. However, equally it can be lower that they can no longer be an area for him within the sequel. More in all likelihood, it has to go back of Helena Bonham Carter as Eudora Holmes and Adil Akhtar as Lestrade. If the sequel is given the go-ahead, it is in all likelihood that we will likely be primarily based totally on the second ebook in Nancy Springer's novel collection. The Case of the Left-Handed Lady is the name of the ebook. In this ebook, Enola attempts to locate Lady Cecily Alcester, who disappears from a bedroom. In the third ebook, which could additionally grow to be a sequel of the film, Dr. Watson is introduced. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.